Metal powder sintering is a versatile and cost-effective production method, capable of creating near-net-shaped components from a wide range of materials. That's why engineers at EWI are advancing resistance-based sintering, an emerging technology that promises to transform how metal powders are consolidated. RBS uses a standard resistance welding system to apply both electric current and mechanical force directly to the powders, combining heat and pressure in a single, ultra-fast step. Instead of hours in a furnace, RBS consolidates metal powders in seconds, cutting processing time dramatically. And the impact is more than just speed. RBS slashes energy consumption by over 97% per unit mass compared to conventional sintering, offering massive gains in cost efficiency and sustainability. The result? High-quality, near-net-shape parts made faster, cheaper, and more efficiently. With resistance-based sintering, EWI is helping manufacturers power the future by reducing costs and increasing production efficiency. Ready to take the next step? Contact us to explore what RBS can do for your business.